Hi, I bought solar panels. After almost 2 months of waiting, I got 100 solar panels from China by Sunny Ima. I don't think I pronounced that right. Get in the box. Well, obviously, 100 solar panels. They also give you this plastic stuff. We don't need that. Each panel is extremely brittle, and I'm not gonna lie, I probably broke 17 in the first day of having these. They're super thin, and they produce half a volt at 0.4 amps each. What do you make with solar panels like these? You make a solar array, of course. I made this smaller solar panel first, and every single solar panel is wired in series to get the most voltage out of it. The larger one up here, every other set of solar panels is in series. The rest of them are in parallel. This way I can get a combination of both voltage and current out of these. It hasn't been too sunny lately. Well, right now it's pretty sunny. You can see a lot of clouds, but it's still doing about 20 volts, which is plenty to charge a 12-volt battery. Solar panels run from here to this wire, inside, over here, from here into this charge controller, and you can see the little light is lit up green. From the charge controller to this small 12-volt battery here. This is actually a wind turbine charge controller rated for 3-phase AC, but I'm just connecting DC to it because it doesn't actually have to do any work rectifying because it's already DC. And when it's fully charged, it should just short the output, which is okay for the solar panels. The battery is currently at 12.6 volts, and these little panels should eventually charge it up to about 14 volts. We'll see what happens.